Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 fidget spinners available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best fidget spinners. The 5th product on our list is the SCIONE Tri-Spinner. Everyone has a reason to fidget or be anxious at some point in their lives, and we all have different ways of showing this. If you find yourself biting your nails, spinning pens in your hands, touching your hair continuously, or playing with your clothing, you will discover that you probably fidget many times a day without even knowing it. A fidget spinner is designed to help curb such habits or help you pass boring times even when you are alone. While there are many brands out there, the SCIONE Tri-Spinner is one of the most popular on the market that has helped many people successfully curb unwanted habits. The great thing about this toy is that it is portable and will fit in your pocket, purse, bags, etc., so that you can easily use it anywhere, anytime. Some therapists and medical personnel have even prescribed this fidget spinner for those with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, autism, or anxiety to help them concentrate and stay calm when the mind is going through a crisis. The SCIONE Tri-Spinner has a high-speed ceramic hybrid ball in its center that rotates fast, smoothly, and consistently. There is also a removable steel counterweight bearing that increases the centripetal force and the rotation time. If you spin this toy hard, it will rotate continuously for about 2 minutes or more before it eventually begins to slow down. Furthermore, no special maintenance is needed to keep it working, and it is built to last for a long time. Its pros are: this compactly designed spinner is built to last. It is easy and safe to use. And the package comes with 5 fidget spinners. However, the counterweight is not stainless steel, so it could rust. The SCIONE Tri-Spinner is ideal for anyone who needs a convenient way to curb their bad habits without the need for medical intervention. Up next, in 4th place, is the MAGTIMES Rainbow. The MAGTIMES Rainbow fidget spinner's highly attractive aesthetic gives it a place in the heart of anyone who wants to keep stress, anxiety, or ADHD at bay so that they can have a better day. The fact that there is no age barrier for this toy's usage makes it perfect for just anybody who likes keeping their hands busy while working. MAGTIMES Rainbow Anti-Anxiety Fidget Spinner will help you to stay calm even when your mind is conflicted. It is designed from highly durable stainless steel and has bearings that spin for about 5 minutes with regular flipping techniques such as index finger spin, tabletop spins, etc. You don't need extra force or strength to make this toy spin. Even if you are looking for a fun game to play with your family and friends, you can use this fidget spinner to see who can achieve the longest spin, and you'll be surprised at how time flies. Everyone deserves a worry-free life. If life isn't giving you one, create it for yourself by spinning away from the worries with this rainbow spinner. This toy takes your mind off problems, but it also has a way of helping you concentrate and focus. So, if you discover that you've been drifting away into deep thoughts lately, you should consider this spinner to help keep your mind in the moment. Its pros are: it has a pleasing rainbow design, it helps to keep the mind focused, and it has a strong construction. However, it feels heavy when you spin it for a long time. The MAGTIMES Rainbow Fidget Spinner is suitable for anyone who wants to keep their minds in the moment and stay focused. Still haven't found a fidget spinner that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the D-FantiX Cube. The D-FantiX Cube fidget spinner is not like other conventional spinners with 3 sides. It has a streamlined cube design that makes it both a spinner and a puzzle, making it a must-have for stress relief, anxiety, fidgeting, lack of concentration, ADHD, etc. Consider this fidget spinner as you escape from restlessness and boredom because you can use it anywhere and anytime without a hassle. Its compact design, portability, and lightweight make it easy to take with you wherever you go. A fingerprint gyro bearing hidden in the centerpiece makes this toy rotate for an extra long time when you spin it. Apart from being easy and convenient to use, this fidget spinner rotates quietly and smoothly without any disruption unless you interrupt it. What that means is that you can use it in quiet environments such as your class, office, conference halls, etc. without anyone knowing what's up unless they see it. In general, we can say that this toy may help to boost your concentration and improve your focus with its soothing spins and puzzles. There are 10 steel balls on each corner piece of this fidget spinner cube that enhances its speed for an extra calming and soothing effect. Its pros are: it rotates smoothly and effortlessly, it is quiet to use, and it comes with a carry case. However, it is not very durable. The D-FantiX Cube fidget spinner is perfect for anyone who gets too anxious or finds it difficult to concentrate or focus at work or in the classroom. The second product on our list is the INNÅPLUS Luminous. Get rid of the bad habits, fidgeting, and anxiety with the INNÅPLUS Luminous fidget spinner. This unit is uniquely designed and features a luminous system that brightens the toy when used in the dark. This system doesn't require a special power source in order to illuminate it. Place it under sunlight or a mobile phone light for 30 to 60 seconds and it will absorb enough light needed for its illumination at night. Unlike most spinners, this unit has a rotation time of more than 5 minutes and works silently at less than 15 decibels. Therefore, you can use it anywhere, anytime without distracting others or even yourself. As a stress-relieving toy, the INNÅPLUS Luminous fidget spinner has proven to be effective in warding off nervous energy and improving focus, releasing anxiety, relaxing, and staying awake. This makes it perfect for people with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder and attention deficit disorder. Even if you feel you don't need this for yourself, you can gift it to a friend or loved one to help them stay focused when they need to be. It's worth noting that these spinners are not sealed, so you can take them apart for easy cleanup and reassemble them again effortlessly. Its pros are: its rotation time is greater than 5 minutes, it is very durable, and it is suitable for adults and kids over 8 years old. However, it is heavy, so be careful not to drop it on your foot. The INNÅPLUS Luminous fidget spinner is suitable for people with ADHD or ADD, or anyone who wants to relieve themselves from mental stress. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top fidget spinner is the Duomishu Double Pendulum. Spin the Duomishu Double Pendulum to help you relieve stress, quit your bad habits, and stay focused. Who knew a simple toy like this could help the mind concentrate on productive ideas? Although it is small and portable, its benefits can help anyone maintain their sanity and stay free from certain vices. This fidget spinner design is based on the theory of double pendulum and random motion, meaning that the toy will take a different path each time you spin it. With this unit, you get more than one way to fidget with it. You can flick it, let it drop and spin, balance it horizontally while small movements make large, unpredictable results, generate endless spins via perpetual motion, spin with one or both arms, etc. Thanks to its stainless steel construction, this fidget spinner will not easily break if accidentally dropped and so will serve you for a long time. The dual hybrid ceramic precision bearings used in this pendulum give ultra-smooth spins and frictionless rotation. Each time you need to stay focused but find it difficult to do so, bring out your Duomishu Double Pendulum and spin however you like. You'll notice that your mind slowly regains concentration. This unit is ideal for adults and kids over 10 years old and is easy to carry for use anywhere, anytime. Its pros are: it is constructed of high-quality materials, it is easy to carry, and it has a detachable superstructure. However, it is quite large, so may be unsuitable for those with small hands. The Duomishu Double Pendulum is ideal for those who find it difficult to concentrate or stay focused. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.